how warm we're feeling. Open, drop, and climb. Bring the hands forward, open the arms, and shift your weight over to one side. Inhale, lift, over to the other. And this time go a little deeper, go down to the floor if you can. Let's open up those hips, warm up those thighs. The top hand, well, find a comfortable position, either on your lower back or up in the air, so the palm turns away. One more, both sides. Good stretch and opening for the legs. Bring your feet in, feet underneath hips, arms to the side, and swing one leg to the side. Hold your balance. Yay! Now take that leg across, hug your legs together. Again, hold your balance for a few seconds. One arm forward, and the other arm under. And lift your arms and sink down into your legs. So it's a balance and a stretch. Look up to challenge the balance. And advance the balance by bringing your hands to your forearms. So it could be just your wrists, or it could be all the way over. It's easy to arch your back here, so pull your tummy in. Good. Perfect. Arms up. Leg extends and tip. So we want to adjust your bottom foot so you feel comfortable and go long. Turn your hips to the front. Hold for a few seconds, stretch for a few seconds. Leave the arms in the air and climb up. And do that on the other side. Good, well done. So keep pressing your hips forward, keep extending legs and arms. Hold. And then upright. Arms open, leg to the side. Coming, other leg. Take the leg round. Square off your hips, sink into your legs. One arm forward, the other arm under. Think of the stretch in your spine, the length of your spine, and look up to make the challenge greater. And then if you're looking for an advanced option, find your forearms. That is fantastic. So just drop the ribs. Perfect. Stay there with your balance, and then extend the arms. Strong arms, power through the upper back. Feel the stretch in the legs, and tip. Good. Hold your balance. Use your tummy muscles, use your eye gaze. Help you to balance. Arms stay up as you shift from one side over to the other. Little bit longer in the body, little bit stronger in the leg, and then climb up. Take it into a thigh stretch. Sweep one arm forward to help support you. Take the other hand to your back foot. Get your balance, use equipment, and when I say equipment, chair, to help you balance, and then start to push the leg away. That's your advanced option. Turn your hips down, your knees down. Hold for a few seconds. Well done. And then, if you're looking to advance it, lift the knee to the side, take the arm to the side, and start pressing round. Open the front of the hip, front of the thigh. Stay for a few seconds, and then do all of that on the other side. Arm up, foot up, pause. Take a moment, find your breath, find your balance, be patient, and then start to extend the stretch, push the hip down. Focusing on your horizon will help. Hold, and then extend, opening up. Arm to the side, knee to the side, holding it there. Perfect. Come down, work through your feet, roll through your shoulders. Up, back, and down. Leave your feet grounded, lift your arms, palms down, fingers forward, and take one arm up, centre, and the other arm up, centre. Tighten your tummy, lift, and lower. Good, so work with your breath in the way that you have throughout the session. Open, squeeze the shoulder blades, keep the shoulder down, maybe a soft eye gaze or closed eyes, and really connect with your body, your breath, your flow. This is how we soothe the nervous system, calm our body and our thoughts. So staying with that feeling of calm, lift your opposite knee. Land and lift the other knee. Good. Working to lift the knee in line with the hip. The palms, one forward, one back. Hands directly in line with your body. Steady and slow. That looks fantastic. Deliberate and strong. Marvellous. One more of those. So level 1 was just arms, level 2, arm and opposite leg. Feel that freedom in your hip. Now lift the knee and hold. Open the knee and open the arms and hold. Bring the knee forward. Land safe. Perfect. Other side. Breathe in. Open the knee, open the arms, work the upper back. Come forward. Land safe. Couple more of those. Just let the body register. The breath, the work, the gliding movement. One more. Both sides. Thinking of that beautiful, upright, strong posture. Chest opening, breathing well. Fantastic. So place the feet on the floor, come back to your hip distance approach, hands on your waist, and bring one knee up and then lower. Level 1, not too hard. Lift the knee and lower. So what do you notice about the stabilising knee? Is it comfortable? Does it need a little softness to help you manage this? So I'm going to lift the knee. Now place the foot behind you, heel down. Feel the calf stretch. Slide the leg forward, lift the knee. Take the leg back, heel down. Feel the calf stretch. So this is about proprioception. It's about knowledge that's not in your conscious mind, it's in your body, it's your somatic knowledge. Where you land the foot, what's going on for you, allow that to happen. Good, be patient. Now lift the arms. So lift the arms, lift the knee. Take the hands together to the back leg, to the knee, towards the foot, and then climb up. Balance, arms, leg goes back, heel, calf stretches, and you have that rotational work through your waist. Look down, and now look forward. Good, look down. So how did we make this harder last session? By turning it into a lunge. So rather than putting the heel on the floor, I'll give you a side profile so you can see what it looks like. This time, step back, heel up, bend the back knee and sweep the arms behind. Take a moment, lift the knee, step back, bend the back knee and sweep the arms back. Good. 3 more. Breathe in, lift. Heel up this time, it's a lunge. I know it's tricky, so be kind, be compassionate to yourself. I should have got it done straight away. Don't. Your body takes a little while. So let it warm up. And then step back, heel up, feel the leg work, and step in. Reset. Shoulders, legs, hands on waist, other knee. Sweep and lift your other knee. Being conscious that your pelvis is still and you're keeping it still by tightening your tummy. Level 2, take the foot behind, heel down. Oh, love that stretch. Knee lift, heel down. Good. So I've probably noticed that you don't look behind you, and you would have done originally, when before you did all this, before you practiced Pilates regularly. Now you just know. Your body knows. So lift your arms, lift your knee, take the heel down and sweep the hands to the back, that back leg. Take your time to lift the knee. Step back, heel down, breathe out. Good. Flow. Control, but flowing control. That's it. Consciousness, awareness. Where you're positioning, how you're breathing, what you're doing. How did we make it harder? We simply added a lunge. Heel up, bend the back knee, sweep the arms back, slide the foot in, lift, heel up, bend the back knee, good. 3 more. So finish each part of the move well. Lift the arms, lift the knee, sweep back, lift the heel. 1 more. And back. So, perfectly done. Bring your feet in, roll your shoulders, have some water, and pick up your hand weights. And bring your hands, roll your shoulders back, hands by your side. Bring the hands forward, palms down. Feet connected to the floor, one arm up, center, other arm up. Good. So it becomes much clearer how we're working. Ribs down, got a little bit of muscle tone, muscle work going on through the arms and the shoulders. Breathe. Perfect. Add in the opposite knee lift. Make it slow. Be aware of that transition, one side to the other. Good. Tummy muscles secure. Knee lifts and breathe. Keep going. Little pause in the middle while you make that transition. We'll make the arms work harder, which is great. Good. 1 more of these. Arm directly above your shoulder, chest high. Add in. Lift the knee, lift the arm, hold. Arms to the side, palms face forward, knee to the side, hold. Come forward and land. Other side, smooth and slow. Strong arms, knee to the side and land. 4 more. Work at your own pace, your own breath, your level, and swap. Good. Strong arm. 3 more. Stay with me. Lift. Open powerfully. Bring the knee forward and land. Breathe in. Exhale. Let's take the knee a little bit further out each time. Last 2. Lift. Open. Hold. Be bold. Lift. And rest. Other side. Good. You're starting to feel how warm arms and legs are. Well done. Last one. Last one. Hold. Open. Lift. And the other side. Good. Perfect. Reset. Work through your feet.